Hello and welcome back to African Metaphysical Center for Spiritual Healing, Body, Mind, and Spirit Development. I am your host, Kufuam Ra, your metaphysical practitioner, Reiki master, Qigong instructor, bond practitioner, and mystic. Today's topic is complete 8 through 12 chakra activation program. This is the step-by-step exercise guide that I'm providing to you, part 2 of 2. All right, let's begin. This is part 2 of the 12 chakra activation program. Hopefully, you already know the first 7 chakras since it's discussed kind of often online and everywhere else. But if you don't, just send me a message and I will provide you my complete 12 chakra training schedule. Let's start with chakra 8. Chakra 8 is the Earth Star chakra. Location is 6 to 12 inches below your feet. The color representation of that chakra is black, brown, and deep earth tones. The exercise program for that chakra. 1, do the earth connection meditation. You do that for 15 minutes, which is stand or sit with feet flat on the ground. Visualize a dark grounding energy below your feet. You want to send the roots deep into the earth's core and draw up ancient wisdom and ancestral knowledge. Feel yourself anchored in Gaia's consciousness. Number 2 on that is the physical movements of that particular chakra. You want to be barefoot walking on earth or grass 15 minutes per day. Tree pose, hold 1 minute each leg, focus on connection below. Grounding stomps, that's just like it sounds, stomping the ground 1 leg at a time. Stomp firmly 30 times. Lie flat on the earth for 10 minutes, full body contact. Number 3, the affirmations for that particular chakra. Repeat it 10 times. I am connected to Earth's infinite wisdom. I am grounded in my soul's purpose. I serve the highest good of all sentient beings. Number 4, the sound healing for that particular chakra is use 68 hertz or lower frequency music. Okay, you want to listen to nature sounds like rain, thunder, or earth. You want to chant deep, low tones from the belly. Number 5, daily practice for that one. Spend 15 minutes barefoot on earth daily. Practice earthing, grounding techniques. Connect with ancestral lineage through meditation and use grounding crystals. I use obsidian, use any grounding crystals that work with you. Moving to chakra 9, the soul star chakra. The location, it is 6 inches above the crown. The color is white, magenta, and translucent. The exercise program for that particular chakra, number 1, the soul purpose meditation, 20 minutes a day. Sit comfortably and visualize brilliant white light above your head. Feel this light containing your soul's blueprint and ask, what is my soul's purpose? Allow downloads of information, memories, or knowing. Integrate this energy through your crown into your body. The physical movement, reach to the sky meditation. What you do, you stand arms up, reaching for 5 minutes. Gently, neck tilts like this, looking up and down, okay? Looking up towards the soul star 10 times. Floating meditation. Lie down. Imagine your soul floating above. 10 minutes a day. Energy pulling. Visualize pulling soul star energy down through the crown chakra. Number 3, the affirmations for that chakra. You want to repeat this 10 times. I remember my soul's divine purpose. I am aligned with my highest path. I receive divine guidance clearly. Number 4, the sound healing. You want to use 1074 hertz or 4096 hertz frequency music. You want to chant the EE or the AH. That's the EE or AH, high pitched tone. Listen to angelic or celestial music also. Number 5, the daily practice. Morning intention setting aligned with soul purpose. Past life regression meditations, you want to do that weekly. Automatic writing from your higher self. Work with clear quartz or selenite crystals for this one. All right, let's move on to the chakra 10, the universal chakra. Location, 12 inches above the crown chakra. Color is pearl or opalescent or silver. Number 1, the exercise program is called the Universal Conscious Meditation, 20 minutes a day. Visualize a shimmering pearl light above your soul's star, okay? Dissolve your sense of individual self. You also want to merge with universal consciousness. Access the Akashic records. Ask for wisdom. Feel yourself as part of the cosmic web itself. Number 2, the physical movements. You want to do something called cosmic breath, which is inhale from universe above. Exhale through the entire body for 10 minutes. Star pose. Stand with arms and legs wide, 5 minutes, channeling universal energy. Spinning or twirling for 2 minutes, like Sufi swirling or whirling slowly like this, okay? My arms are really long like that, okay? Do that. All right, stillness practice. Complete physical stillness for 15 minutes. Number 3, affirmations. You want to repeat these, as always, 10 times. I am one with universal consciousness. I access infinite cosmic wisdom, and I transcend individual limitations. Number 4, sound healing. Use the 432 hertz, which is the universal frequency music. Chant the A-U-M, okay, with emphasis on the M, vibrating. Listen to cosmic space ambient sounds. Number 5, the daily practice. Study universal laws and cosmic principles. Practice seeing yourself in everyone, okay? Akashic record meditation 3 times weekly. You want to do that. Observe synchronicities and document them. That's very important. Document them. You're going to start seeing a lot of them. Chakra 11, the galactic chakra. Location above the universal chakra, approximately 18 to 24 inches above your head. Now, the color for that one is violet and silver or crystalline. The exercise program, number 1, the galactic integration meditation. You want to do that for 25 minutes. What it is, it's you visualize a crystalline violet silver light above you. Connect to galactic consciousness and star nations. Feel your multidimensional self across galaxies. Download galactic codes and light language. Understand or understand your role in cosmic evolution and integrate star lineage and galactic memories. You're opening up. Number 2, the physical movement. Light body activation. Stand, visualize body as light for 10 minutes. Macabre activation breathing. 18 breaths with specific visualization. The cosmic mudra. Hands forming geometric patterns above head. You want to do that for 5 minutes. The levitation meditation, sitting, feel your body becoming weightless. You want to do this for 10 minutes. Number 3, affirmations. Repeat 10 times. I am a multidimensional galactic being. I remember my star origins. I serve the cosmic plan with clarity. Number 4, sound healing. You want to use 10,000 plus hertz frequencies. Listen to light language transmissions. Chant in tones. Allow spontaneous sounds to emerge. And binaural beats for pineal gland activation. Number 5, the daily practice. Stargaze and connect with specific star systems. Practice light language speaking or writing. Next, the DNA activation meditation. You want to do that weekly. Work with Motivite or Tektite or Meteorite. Then study galactic history and star nations. Finally, we come to chakra 12, divine gateway chakra. Location is the highest point above the head, which is 2 to 3 feet or beyond the physical space. The color, this is wild. Pure white, gold, all colors, no color. You got to think outside of this paradigm we're in right now, okay? Exercise program called the Source Unity Meditation. You're going to do this 30 plus minutes a day. Release all visualization and technique. Simply exist in pure awareness. Merge completely with Source or God consciousness. Dissolve all separation between self and Creator. Rest in the I Am presence. Allow divine will to move through you. Experience pure unconditional love and unity. Number 2, the physical movement. Complete stillness in meditation for 30 minutes minimum. Surrender pose, lying face down, arms forward, complete release. You want to do this for 15 minutes. Breathe, breath of surrender. Natural breathing with zero control, 20 minutes. Being practice. Being, B-E-I-N-G, practice. That means no doing, only being present for 30 minutes. Number 3, affirmations, whispered or silent. I am one with Source. Thy will, not my will. Eventually, no affirmations, just presence. Number 4, sound healing. Sit in complete silence. Listen to the sound of silence. Inner cosmic sound. 1111 hertz frequency music. Pure tones or Gregorian chants. Number 5, daily practice, which is extended meditation, minimum 1 minute. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and like, share. Until next time, Ashe, Ashe, Ashe.